Nestled in the serene environs of Faerie Glen, Pretoria, a homeowner confronted us with a gamut of roofing dilemmas, ranging from deteriorating ridges, flawed valleys, and previously shoddy roof repair work. Our multi-pronged approach started with the main tile roof. We meticulously cleared loose cement, fortified roof ridges, valleys, and flashings with the stretch seal system to ensure impeccable waterproofing. Concrete roof slab sections saw a complete overhaul, renewing the failed torchon layer and ensuring optimized water flow through the outlets. Stretch seal membrane fortified the weak spots, while the entire slab basked under the protective embrace of the Armtec HyperFlex waterproofing system. A comprehensive high-pressure wash prepared the roof for painting. The final touches were added with a double layer of the aesthetically pleasing Marley M11 slate roof paint, leaving the roof both solar-ready and aesthetically renewed. Contact EcoSeal today to book your free inspection.